Hello teacher, how are you? I hope that you are very well. In that occasion, I will present you the activity that I already made in order to teach vocabulary. As you know, vocabulary is necessary and essential in a plan because in that way we can help to the students at the moment to get more knowledge. Okay, I will start with the explanation. Hello students, the topic for today is fruits and vegetables. Okay, pay attention to the following instruction. Read carefully the following words. Then underline with green color the fruits names and red color the vegetables names. How come? Imagine the first one is apple. Fruit's name is apple. I will use green color and I will underline it. Then potato like vegetable names with red color and so on. I will give you 2 minutes in order to complete it. Okay, let's start. Okay guys, time is over. I will mention the fruits names. The first one is apple. The second one is mango. Then we have banana. Next, grape. Now, orange. Pineapple. Papaya. Kiwi. Lemon. And plum. Now I will continue with vegetables names. The first one is potato. Then broccoli. Then tomato. Now eggplant. Okay, carrot. Cucumber. Onion. Radish. Green beans. And corn. Okay guys, this is all for this activity.